Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. It's a beautiful song from Sam Smith, To Be Free, that's the title of the song. And Sam goes gospel here, beautiful chorus in the background there, and his voice as well. Let's dive into this song, and as you can see, we don't use any capo here, we are free on the fretboard. Let's learn a couple of chords to handle this. So, we're gonna start with B minor first, and that goes with a bar. On the second fret, you play index finger and push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord will be the G, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And then we have the D, and for this specific song, I show you this with a short little bar. Normally we use 3 fingers like this. You will understand why soon, but first let's go over the chords. So I play a short little bar on the 2nd fret, and I push down the E, the B, and the G string. The first 3 strings count from down and up. And then I just add 3rd fret B string with my mid finger. And I also incorporate the open D string. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Okay, that is a D chord. Then we have the E minor, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have the F sharp minor. That's a bar chord, so place the index finger on the 2nd fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add 4th A and 4th D. And finally, we have the A. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Okay, so there you have all the chords. This is mainly a picking pattern song. I will show you how to handle this with just a plain strumming if you choose to go that route later on. But first, let's learn how it's played with the picking pattern. So we have one main part of the song, and that will be to play B minor, G, and D. Okay, so let's start with the B minor first. I'm gonna give you one example of how you can play. This is played with feel, so it differs a little bit from time to time throughout the song. But I will give you one pattern here. So B minor first, you're gonna play. So that is 2nd fret A string, 4th D. Then you play 4th D and 4th G together, and then go back and play 4th D again. And that's the B minor part. Next G part, it's just to hold the 3rd fret E string in the bass. You're gonna play this. Okay, so that is 3rd fret E string, open D, and then open G and open B together, and then open G. And now comes finally the D part. And now, as I said, you're gonna use this bar version of D. Why? Because you're gonna go out with a little pinky and reach out to the 5th fret here. And maybe it's a little bit stretchy, but if you think about it, you have one finger for every fret. So if you use your index finger here for the 2nd fret, then you should be able to reach out with a little pinky to the 5th fret. I know, a little bit stretchy, could have some practice to it, but that is just a normal setup for your hand if you look at it like this. Okay, so you're gonna play open D, 2nd G, then 3rd B and 2nd E together, and then back to 2nd G, and then open D, then 2nd G, 3rd B, and then comes this stretchy 5th E to 2nd E. So I pick the 5th E here, and then I snap off to get that 2nd from the bar finger. Okay, so I don't pick that 2nd E, I just snap off this 5th. And then I play 2nd G and 3rd B. And that's it. So the D part goes. So that is the main part, B minor, G, D. Slowly, it goes like this. Just a little bit faster and you have the standard tempo, because this is pretty slow song as it is. Anyway, that is the main pattern. Then at 3 times in the song, at 1 minute and 19 seconds in, that's the first time. But then also at 2 minutes and 35 seconds and 3:38, you have this other thing going on here. So it's based upon the E minor, the F sharp, the G, and A. And that goes like this. So that it will be to play open E string with second D and open G together. That's the E minor part. The F sharp part will be to play the second E together with open D and second G. The G part goes third E together with open G and open B. And finally the A part goes fifth E with open G and third B. And after you play that at these 3 different timestamps, you go back to play the main pattern, and that is what's happening here with Sam Smith's song called To Be Free. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Very beautiful song. You can practice this with the picking pattern, but also with strumming, and that is what I'm going to show you right now. If you go back to the chords, you have the B minor, and one string around goes like this. So it's 3 downs first. 1, 2, 3, a short pause, and then 1 up. So you're gonna play. So that will be B minor 1 string around, G1, and D2. And for this part where you have this 119 and so on with the E minor, F sharp, G, and A, you just play 1 per chord. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.